Welcome to this Credit Boost review, where I'll share my experience with this service and explain its features, who it's designed for, and how it can help you boost your credit score. For your convenience, links to Credit Boosters are included in the description below. Credit Boosters is an innovative credit enhancement program tailored for individuals looking to improve their credit scores quickly and effectively. The service is ideal for people who have limited credit history, need to address negative marks on their report, or want to enhance their credit profile to qualify for better financial opportunities. One of the standout features of Credit Boosters is its trade line services, which allow users to piggyback on established accounts with excellent payment histories. By adding these positive accounts to your credit report, you can see significant improvements in your score. This method is particularly helpful for individuals building or rebuilding their credit. Another essential feature is the Credit Consultation Service, where experts analyze your credit report and provide personalized recommendations. Whether it's disputing inaccuracies, negotiating with creditors, or optimizing your credit utilization, these consultations give you actionable steps to improve your financial standing. Credit Boosters also includes financial literacy tools, offering resources like webinars, articles, and guides that educate users on maintaining long-term credit health. Topics cover everything from understanding credit scores to managing debt and preparing for major financial milestones like buying a home or applying for a loan. For those seeking real-time updates, Credit Boosters provides credit monitoring services that alert you to changes in your report and help you stay on top of your progress. This proactive approach ensures you're aware of any new issues and can address them promptly. Credit Boosters is perfect for anyone looking for a comprehensive solution to improve their credit score, whether you're just starting or recovering from financial setbacks. Its combination of expert support, trade line options, and educational resources makes it a trusted choice in credit repair. If you're ready to take your credit score to the next level, check the links in the description to explore Credit Boosters and start your journey to financial success today.